previous year he has made more than $1 million from dropshipping. You don't know who Biaheza is? He is a 23-year-old entrepreneur and a millionaire. So in this video, I'm going to give a review of his course Dropviz and tell you points to start a successful online business. So let's begin. So Dropviz is a platform to start a successful dropshipping business, and the creator is Biaheza. In this course, we get lots of resources to start a successful Shopify store, like winning product list, winning product videos, TikTok videos. So I have researched the full course and find a secret. Watch this video till the end because no one are going to tell you this secret. So listen to me. The secret is in the course he is teaching how to run, build and grow a Shopify store. But the thing is, he is actually giving real value, don't like other dropshipping courses. I have taken lots of dropshipping courses and all those courses are useless, but when I take this course, I also don't have hope that I can get value from here. But I successfully founded a course that actually teaches you about dropshipping. He's a real man. He's not like others, like fake gurus. He's giving the value of $1 million in course in just $15 a month. And as a dropshipper, I know what $15 is. But when you earn $15K from his course, then why not to give $15 to his course? And yeah, it has a 7 days free trial that you can use. So let's be real to the course. I like the resources, I like the value, I like the worthiness, I like the knowledge, and these all things are in the course. So you can also get the link is in the description. So the link is in the description. You can get now, and I like all the things in the course. So now I can say it can change your life properly. I know dropshipping is a big skill, and for learning dropshipping it will take years, but with this course you can actually learn anytime you want because it has pre-recorded modules and they get updated monthly. So now 3 points to start your successful online business. Number 1, don't afraid. Don't afraid in any situation. It may be because you don't take actions. Maybe you don't spend on your self-development. Maybe you are trying wrong things. Number 2, try new things. Try new things in your life. Maybe one actually yours. Like Biaheza, he tried lots of things online, but nothing works. Then he find dropshipping and he is a successful entrepreneur now. Number 3, don't care about words. Don't care about words like you're unsuccessful or things like that. Negativity, because you will be what you think. Alright guys, this is all the video and you can get Biaheza course. So the link is in the description. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.